In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo your homepage in Google Chrome, and it should only take about 5 minutes. This task is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have Yahoo as your default starting point whenever you open your browser. This can be a great way to access your favorite news, email, or other Yahoo services right away. Let's dive in. To start, the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome. So if you don't already have it open on your computer, go ahead and launch the browser. Once you have Chrome open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You should see a 3-dot menu icon which looks like a vertical ellipsis. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. This menu is the gateway to customizing a variety of settings within Chrome. After clicking the 3-dot menu, you need to select Settings from that drop-down menu. Clicking this will take you to the Chrome settings page, where all of the customizations and preferences for your browser can be adjusted. This is effectively your control center for everything related to how Chrome functions. On the left side of the settings page, there's a menu listing different categories of settings. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled On Startup. Go ahead and click on Startup. This section deals with how Chrome behaves every time you launch it. Once you are in the On Startup section, you'll see a few different options. From these choices, you want to select the option that reads Open a specific page or set of pages. By selecting this, you're telling Chrome that you want it to open Yahoo as soon as it starts. Next, to set Yahoo as your home page, go ahead and click Add a new page. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the web address of the page you want to set as your home page. Here you'll need to type in https://yahoo.com. It's important to enter this URL accurately to ensure that Chrome knows precisely where to take you on startup. Finally, after entering the Yahoo URL, click Add. This confirms your chosen homepage setting. Once you've done that, Chrome will recognize Yahoo as the page to open whenever you start up the browser. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Chrome to make Yahoo your homepage. By following these steps, you've streamlined your browsing experience to begin each session on Yahoo. You can always return to these settings if you ever decide to update your homepage to something new. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.